I was reading a little bit about Teddy Roosevelt the other day, about his foreign policy. But for some reason, other countries used to be so scared of him. And the way he described it was, you gotta speak softly, carry a big stick. You're respectful at first, but you bring down the hammer when you need to. So tonight, we don't need to go out all crazy, all boastful. But when the time comes, we carry the big stick and shove it in their fucking heart. Go! Right now! Go! Go, go, 3! 1, 2, 3, go!
Straight out of Compton is a crazy brother named Ice Cube. From the stupid dope gang with an attitude. When I'm caught off, I got a sword off. Kick knowledge and bodies all hauled off. You too, boy, if you get with me. The police are gonna have to come and get me off your back. That's how I'm going out. For the sucker duck brothers that's showing out. Some start to mumble, they wanna rumble. Mix them and cook them in a pot like gumbo. Going off on everybody like that. With bass, that's dropping in your face. So give it up smooth. Ain't no telling when I'm down for a jack move. Here's a murder rap to keep you dancing. With a crime record like Charles Manson. Yo, Trey, what's the sound of my tool? Now you know that I'm about to act a fool. Me and you can go toe to toe, no mate. I'm knocking suckers out the box daily. Yo, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Until the whole damn world sees clearly. That one goes down with the capital CBT. Boy, you can't step to me. So when I'm in your neighborhood, you better duck down. Cause Ice Cube, a damn show, fuck him down. As I leave, believe I'm starving. But when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of Compton. What's up? Tell him where you from. Straight out of Compton. A brother with his finger on the trigger.
Oh my God, Bo is on fire. Bo is hot.
But the suckers in the public won't show this. But I
And holy, he's sweating a lot. My arm is drenched. Ow! Look, fast break. Oh, he's fading him.
About somebody talking trash and put him in check. So if I show in the front row,
All the other team has to say is
you probably get mad like a punk is supposed to. But that shows me, you're composed to a crazy little brother from the street. Attitude legit, cause I'm ready to hit. Whoopsie Red controls the automatic. For any fool in my way, it starts static. Not a right hand, cause I'm the hand itself. Every time I pull an AK off the shelf, the security is maximum, man, that's a law. REN spells rim, but I'm raw. See, cause people know me as a villain. The definition is clear, you're the witness of a killing. It's taking place without a clue. And once you're on the scope, you know you're through. Look, you might take it as a trip, but a brother like Ren is on a gangster tip straight out of Compton.
Man, championship in like 3 weeks. I'm getting a little nervous, not gonna lie. I don't know how we're gonna Yeah, man, I don't know. I'm just a little bit nervous about it. I don't know, man. I'm so nervous.
Just don't forget your roots, what you fought for. You know, everybody's just like, you take night league way too seriously. No, I do not. It needs to be taken more seriously.
You know, they say winners win and losers lose.
2 months ago, I conceived an idea that many called crazy. The idea that 5 men could win a championship by themselves. That idea is tested today. We will set out to prove whether 5 men can win a championship. Will we prove it? Yeah! Are we gonna prove it? Yeah! When? No! Fuck yeah!
Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coat up my crack. Move black girls, cause man, f it, I'll do either. I love. Dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. BOO all over me, my green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl and now he got that Koji beef. My is like an accent mark, it's all about the over-ease. Hot like a parked car. I sound weird like into with the hard R. Fly like the logo on my cousin's 440. Eating Oreos like these white girls that me. Vodka for my ladies, whiskey for a grown man. Hanging in the islands looking for Earl like Toe Jam. I made the beat retarded, so I'm calling it a slow jam. Butcher and I know it, man. Kill beef, go ham. These rappers are afraid of him. It's a bonfire. Turn the lights out. I'm burning everything you motherfuckers talk about. It's a bonfire. Turn the lights out. I'm burning everything you motherfuckers talk about. You
Cadence in the building.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show. What goes on? Alright, already the show goes on right till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show. Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be like,
I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life after this. This was by far my favorite thing. I'm actually really scared now.
Todd's got nothing on us. What?
What'd
he say?
Don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go and put your
How do you feel after this win, Mr. Kaplan?
You know what? It's not about me. It's about the Diamond Dogs.
Hey, next year, we're back.
No, we walk around the world, stepping out, giving a damn by where our feet land at. Yeah, get y'all mushed, smushed. Yeah, 21, the biggest. Put it in the chicken wing.
21, can you do something for me?
21.
Can you hit a little rich flex for me?
21.
Then 21, can you do something for me?
21.
Drop some bars to my ex for me. Then 21.
Like on my neck.
21.
I'm here with
do your thing,
Max
21,
Kaplan.
do your thing.
What can we expect for your game today?
21,
Yellow diamonds in the white.
You know, I used to be a lone wolf. And I joined the pack.
We are the dogs, baby. Oh, I love him to death, but he's been ass.
My S's ain't nothing, I'm busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. 21. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a with the ratchet. I might slap a track on this whip and get the addy. Don't call me on